Hey guys, welcome back to the Culpeth Mini Projects. Today my dad is currently not home, but if you guys saw in the previous video, he cleared out all my trails for me, and today I'm gonna go and touch them up. So let's get to it, guys. Alright, well, in order for me to get anything done during this whole day of cutting trees, I have to fill my four-wheeler up, so we're gonna do that right now. So right here, I'm just gonna take this off here. I have whatever gas this is. It's non-diesel, so regular, and I'm just gonna fill it up. So, yeah. That's good enough for now. Alright guys, well I have the four-wheeler all filled up and ready to go. So let's get going on this stuff. Alright guys, so here's one of the examples. So there's just like in the trails just a little bit. So all I'm going to do is just cut here and then pick it up off the trail and toss it. Simple as that. Nothing much to it. Yep. I'm giving a shout out in this video to all men who do it because it is 87 degrees and it's hot. Okay, so with some of this stuff here, you can see that I'm cutting down some of these trees and stuff. Rogue, get away from the camera, you're gonna knock it down. You can see that I'm cutting these and leaving them some on the trail, but like later today or tomorrow or whatever time my mom has, she'll be coming through and raking the trails. So some of this stuff, it's okay to leave on the trails because she'll pick it up later. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys a prime example of why I'm doing this and why I can't stand my trails being dirty. So let's go cut those branches down so that I don't have to deal with that anymore. See? Look at how pretty. Alright, I don't know how much you guys can see of this, but this is like a whole thorn sticker bush. And those are the ones that really get you because you'll be riding and you'll take that tight turn and it'll totally just skim your leg and just like, it's awful. So we're definitely going to make sure to get those. And for most of you who get the little idea that I didn't actually fill my gas, check that baby out. Full as it can be. Yeah, boy. I mean, look at this, guys. This is what I'm dealing with. I'm just going to get hit everywhere. Just everywhere I go, I'm going to get hit. I think I chose one of the hottest days to do this, but at least the UV's 8. But that doesn't matter, because I'm in the woods. Alright guys, we have to be quiet. I think I discovered a wild hog. Oh wait, it's just my dog. Dang it. Guys! Alright guys, what I also like to do when I'm clearing out my trails is also get those low branches that you think like you won't need to cut down right now, but possibly in the future. Just while you're doing it, I would cut them now so that when they grow, they won't be in your way in the future. So then, yeah, you just don't have to deal with that in the future. So I recommend that. Alright guys, sorry to mention this so late in the video, but the cutters I'm using are the Power Cut RS900T, and they're the System series. They're made from the company Wolfgarten. I've had these for a really long time, well my dad has, and they work really well, so definitely recommend. Alright guys, I happen to come across one of my favorite bushes here, honestly. It kind of looks delicious. If you guys have any guesses, put them in the comments down below what I'm about to say. But, yeah. We found some raspberries. Let's go. Look at them all. So these are all growing here. Obviously, I'm never going to cut these. These are like, well, like mini heavens right here. So I'm going to pick some of these up, take them inside, we'll wash them later. Also, while you're out here doing the trails, you don't necessarily have to cut every single tree down. You could always use your hands and just snap them a little bit just to get them out of your way. And it's maybe. You guys want a tree? Alright guys, just got done with all the trails, those mile of trails. It is insane. Long day, but it was very productive. I hope you guys enjoyed our video today. So make sure you hit that like button, hit that bell button, turn on those post notifications, and make sure you guys, of course, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.